Good morning, students. Today we will learn to find LCM by prime factorization method. So, what is LCM? As we know, the least common multiple of any two or more given number is the smallest number which is the multiple of all given numbers, and it is common to all the numbers, and also it is the least common multiple or smallest common multiples of all the given numbers. So let us understand it with the help of some examples. Students, here we have to find the LCM of 48 and 60 by prime factorization method. So let us revise some prime numbers. As we know, 2 is the smallest prime number, and then next prime number is 3, then 5, then 7, and then 11, and so on. So let us start. So student, first I need to write the numbers like this, separated by comma. Now I need to divide the numbers by lowest possible number, which is 2, because 48 and 60 both are even number, and it is divisible by 2. Here we write 2. Now 48 divided by 2 gives 24. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then we put comma. 60 divided by 2 gives me 30. See student, 24 and 30, it is also even number. So I consider 2 again. And 24 divided by 2 gives me 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and then we put comma. 30 is also divisible by 2, and we get 15. Student, here 12 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So we divide 12 by 2, and I get 6. And then we put comma. As we know, 15 is not divisible by 2. So we bring down it as it is. See student, again here 6 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not. So student, we divided by 2. जब तक कि वह नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So here 6 divided by 2 and I get 3. 2 3s are 6, and we bring down 15 as it is not divisible by 2. Student, as you know, 3 and 15 both are odd number and it is not divisible by 2. So we consider next prime number, that is 3. And now 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 I get 5. Student, we keep on factorizing until we get 1. So here we have 1, but still we have 5 here. So as we know, it is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by next prime number, that is 5. As 1 is not divisible by 5, so we bring down it as it is, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Student, these are the prime factors of 48 and 60. Here we have 4 times 2 and 1 times 3 and 1 times 5. Now we multiply all the factors to find LCM. Thus, LCM of 48 and 60 is equal to 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then 3 into 5. Now we multiply these factors to get the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 multiplied by 5 is equal to 240. So student, here 240 is the LCM of 48 and 60. Now let us take one more example. Find the LCM of 275, 350 and 575. So student, first we write like this, separated by comma. And here we write 275, then 350, comma 575. So student, see, 275 is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. But 350 is even number. It is divisible by 2. And 575 is also not divisible by 2. तो जैसा कि आपको बताया है कि अगर एक भी नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है तो सबसे पहले हम स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So here we write 2, and as we know 275 is not divisible by 2, so we bring down it as it is 275, comma, and then we divide 350 by 2 and I get 175. Then I put comma. As we know 575 is also not divisible by 2, so we bring down it as it is. Now see student, all these numbers are odd number and we know these numbers are not divisible by 2. So we see next prime number. It is divisible by 3. क्या ये 3 से divisible है? No, it is not divisible by 3. So we move to the next prime number, that is 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5 क्योंकि इसके वंस की प्लेस की डिजिट 5 है. और जैसा कि हम डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में पढ़ चुके हैं कि अगर किसी नंबर के वंस की प्लेस की डिजिट 5 होती है तो वो 5 से डिविजिबल होता है. So let us divide it by 5, and 275 divided by 5 I get 55, and 175 divided by 5 and I get 35. We put comma then, and 575 divided by 5 and I get 115. Now again we can divide it by 5 because one's place digit is 5. So let us divide. 55 divided by 5 gives 11, 35 divided by 5 gives 7, and 115 divided by 5 gives 23. Student, here you can see all these numbers are prime numbers. तो ये सारे number itself से ही divisible होंगे. तो अगर हमें यहाँ पे लास्ट में सारे ही नंबर प्राइम नंबर मिल जाते हैं तो हमें आगे का स्टेप करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, हम इसको यहाँ पे ही छोड़ सकते हैं. So student, here 2, 5, 5, 11, 7 and 23 are the prime factors of 275, 350, 350 and 575. Thus, LCM of 275, 350 and 575 is equal to, here we write all the prime factors of these numbers. So 2 into 5 into 5, and then we write 7 into 11 into 23. Now we multiply all these numbers to get the LCM, and after multiplication we get 88,550 as the LCM of 275, 350 and 575. So student, this is how you can find out the LCM of any given number by using prime factorization method. It is also called short way method of finding LCM. I hope your concept is clear. So student, please sit with pen and notebook and check how much you understood. Now it's practice time. Here you have to find the LCM of the following numbers. So student, we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.